Hello friends, it's the Indian walking monk, and we are in Banaras, Varanasi. So we are going in small streets over here, and these streets here lead to the burning places of the dead people here for the. And it's called as the gateway to the person who is burnt here will probably go to the what is that called, Nirvana, or the other side of the shore, and maybe released from suffering. That's what they say. So in fact. If that is so, what is the problem? We can do everything, whatever we want, and then just die here, and then pay for the funeral rites. And the funeral rites are very expensive, it seems. It's very expensive. I don't know which way to go. It's right and left, and better I take the left and take up this was some sweets, and there is jewelry here, and I think we will just go into this small street. Is this a small street? No. Alright, so we will just go straight. It's quite amazing, and there are small shops around here, and even in Delhi, I have not seen so much crowded and too much small streets. Let's go inside through this street, and and it's amazing that. We have to wait for our turn to go if they lift something and come. So we will just keep going inside, and in fact it's a bit less busier than the other times, it says. In fact. This is one of the places where it's not that busy, so because this leads to the place of the burning place. Just about 1 kilometer from here is the burning place, and the river Ganges, the Ganga, flows through that place, and I hope to reach it. So I don't understand which way to go. In fact, okay, let's go inside. चलिए देखिए. Yeah, now it's and and so friends, I forgot to take video on the video. In fact, early in the morning every day in North India, what I'm doing is I'm doing like the North Indians. In fact, in the morning they have some sweets, and here we have a very good depiction of Sati, and this is actually burning alive. When the husband dies, the woman is made to sit there, and she will die. She will die because in here this is represents the flame and the woman in it dying, and these four gods, I think, bless this. I don't know. So this is quite unbelievable. So this has happened in India for centuries during the Hindu period. The women were burnt alive actually. So in fact, it is not just sitting. It is just what they will do is they will just tie the woman with strong ropes and tie her hands and legs, and then seal her mouth, and she doesn't die until burnt alive, and because of the flames and the what to say, the flame, what to say, the ashes and all the dust come, and then we are not able to breathe until that time. So it's quite amazing. Amazing that there are streets all over, and in fact there are sweets being sold here. So there goes the dead body, and किसे उस साइड में जाना है, ऐसे जाना है. So we will not be allowed to take video or on that place, because they believe that if you take video, if you in front of camera, the soul will not be able to reach. They will be hindered by the camera. I don't know if the camera has a trap or something, invisible trap inside the camera. So in fact we will just follow this dead body to reach the place. I was just thinking about how to reach the place of cremation, but I have found a way. So there goes the dead body in front. That's why straight it goes. I think it's and I really wonder how fast they have gone lifting this. These four people lifting this dead body. So just catch up. Okay, friends. Thank you, friends. So we will catch up soon on the other side.